Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-rotate videos on TikTok. TikTok has introduced several features to enhance the viewing and editing experience, including improved auto-rotation capabilities for landscape videos. First of all, open up your TikTok application and make sure that you're logged in. Now, from the homepage, click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. From your profile section, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner and click on Settings and Privacy. From the Settings and Privacy page, scroll down and tap on Playback. Under Playback, toggle on the button right next to Auto Rotate, and once this option is turned on, this will automatically rotate the screen when watching landscape videos. Now your TikTok will automatically adjust the video orientation based on the viewer's device rotation. If you found the steps to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.